Greetings, my name is Nikita, coming from the United States of America in the state of Louisiana. I'm making this video in celebration of Prophet Emmanuel Makandiwa's birthday. I want you to know that you have changed my life and impacted my life so dramatically that I felt the need to make this video. Earlier this year, I did not know what direction to go, who to listen to anymore, who was hearing from God. Had been through so many traumatic situations in the past couple years, and I prayed and I sought God for who was a voice that I could hear that was hearing from Him. And one of my brothers in Christ shared one of your videos, and it changed my life forever. It was one of your unusual authority over demons videos. I believe it was part 3. It helped me become free from soul ties, from old church leaders. It opened up my eyes, and since that time I've been following you and listening to you consistently. I thank you. Thank you for answering the call of God. Thank you for making even your words available online. I've never in my entire 39 years heard a man of God speak with such wisdom, such understanding, such authority, such integrity, and such character. So today, I honor you. Thank you to your wife for lending you to the Lord, and I pray that the blessings of the Lord would overtake you and that you would enjoy your birthday like none other. Happy birthday, Prophet Emmanuel Makandiwa. May God bless you. Grace and peace.